In this video, we are going to talk about different styles of texts we have available in Materialize CSS, and we also call that typography in technical word. I will cut all this code and start implementing the text. So as normal, we have all the elements available from H1 to H6. So let us see how they are looking. This will be H1, and this will be H3. So you get the idea. We have all the elements available from H1 to H6, and similarly we have paragraph tag also available. This is paragraph, and one innovative things about Materialize CSS is we have a flow text. Flow text is a kind of text which will adapt to a screen depending upon what is the width of a screen. So we will use flow text like this. We just have to add a class called flow text, and this will flow, like it will adapt to the width of a screen. So that is a flow text class, and similarly we have other classes available that we can take an example of a black coat. And I think it is block coat, not black coat. So this is a coat. So let us see how this is looking into browser, and we'll open it with the live server. So you see this is H1, this is H2, and this is paragraph, this is a normal P, and this is a flow text. So this will adapt to the screen size, and I will show you how it is adapting. So you see when I am changing the width of the screen, this is adapting to a new width. The size of this font is getting smaller as we are changing the size of a screen, and this will again get bigger if I will start increasing the size of this screen. So you see this is the flow text, and this is a block quote. So that is the kind of different typography or texts we have available in Materialize CSS.